Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your primary image for a fresh look. We will explore simple steps to ensure your visuals always reflect your best and capture immediate attention. A thoughtfully refreshed image can invigorate your brand, captivating new viewers and re-engaging your existing audience with a renewed message. It is a powerful, practical way to convey progress and stay vibrantly current. Before making any changes, think about your main objective, whether it is a more professional feel or a creative, modern vibe. Understanding your target audience is also key. Consider what imagery will genuinely speak to them and capture their imagination. This crucial planning phase, though often brief, sets a very strong foundation for a truly successful and impactful visual transformation. Now, let us move to the practical application of your plan. You can use widely available design software or perhaps even collaborate with a graphic designer for a polished outcome. Focus on acquiring high-resolution assets that enhance your message, ensuring a crisp, clear look. A well-composed image, whether a photo or illustration, speaks volumes for your brand. Once your new image is ready, take a moment to review it critically. Look at it on different devices, ensuring consistent quality and legibility across various screens. Gathering feedback from a few trusted individuals can provide fresh perspectives, helping you spot anything you might have missed. Small adjustments often make a significant positive difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.